Hello guys, hope everyone's doing well. Today we are going to be talking about a beautiful maternity dress. You could be sure to check my video description for more information. This is a maternity dress that I actually bought for, I know it looks kind of summery and like springy with the flowers and the florals and stuff like that. I actually purchased this. I had my baby shower in January and it was perfect. It wasn't cold, or I wasn't cold in it or anything. I was super comfortable. And as you know, if you're pregnant, your temperature can be all kinds of off and all over the place. So I was hot, and this dress kind of kept me cool. I didn't have to be in jeans and a jacket, even though it was the middle of the winter. So I'm going to take you guys closer to it so you can get a better look. The maker of this is called Miss Qee. So it's spelled Miss, M-I-S-S, and then Qee with a Q, Q-E-E. I got a size medium. That's the size I normally am. Fit perfect. And this is like all the extra room for the belly. It goes a little bit, well, I'm a little tall. I'm five and a half about. And at the time of me wearing this dress, I was about 150 pounds. So I was about 16 pounds over my normal weight, and I was 34 weeks pregnant when I wore this, and it fit me perfect. So like I said, the material is very light. So even though it was the middle of winter, like I was still, my temperature started running a little bit warmer than it normally did due to pregnancy. And this kept me cool and comfortable the entire time. It has like this kind of like runched siding here on both sides, and it goes out, leaving you plenty of room for your belly. Not too short, not too long, and these are kind of like half sleeves. I got so many compliments on it, and honestly, you guys, for what I spent, it was extremely reasonable. For me personally, I didn't want to get a dress that was super expensive because I knew that I would only really be wearing it a handful of times. I'm not one of those people that goes crazy buying maternity clothes because I just know that you only wear it for a short time. I don't think I was in maternity clothes really last time till I was about 6 months pregnant. Right now I'm almost 7 months pregnant, and I just started wearing the maternity clothes. So I think that by 6 months, 6, 7, 8, 9, you could get like a good 3-4 months use out of this dress, which is great. And like I said, inexpensive. And I'm going to be wearing it again. So just want to show you guys like the inside, the lining, sewn nicely, definitely not cheap at all. It almost feels like a light fleece. It's just awesome. This is the tag up here, the Miss Qee medium. I'm trying to find a tag inside because I want to tell you guys what the material is. Okay. So this tells you how to wash it. Wash dark colors separately. Made in China. And it is 97% polyester, and then 3% spandex elethane. So the way I washed this was I put it in the hand wash cycle in the washing machine, and then that's how I did it. And I did it with light colors on hand wash and in very cold water. I wash my dark clothes in cold water. And I just hung it up to dry. It dried perfectly. And what's nice too is like you'll never have to iron this dress. It does not get wrinkly. And it's just so nice for like any kind of event. So like I said, I wore this actually for my baby shower. And I'm going to be wearing it tomorrow for my friend's engagement party. And I just know that I'm comfortable in it and it looks cute, and I always got so many compliments. Everyone's like, I love your dress. You could really wear any kind of shoes with this. I wore hot pink heels that were not exactly matching because this is more the rose color on here is more of a pinkish red. I don't know if you guys could tell. It's very pretty. And I wore hot pink shoes with it, and it still looked really cute. It's still matched. I'm going to turn it over and show you guys the back. So you can see the back kind of goes up high. And that is the back of the dress. I just think the flowers are such a beautiful design. And it is so flattering, and it's so cute, and it'll keep you comfortable, because we know being pregnant is not the most comfortable thing in the world, and this will definitely help you out with that. So I thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video on my Miss Qee maternity dress. I hope you guys found the video useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment. Thanks guys, and have a great day.